Hmm. mm, Now okay.
Okay.
Hmm. Yes.
Yeah. Hi, Varsha.
Hi. Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening. Yeah, how was the day?
Your voice is too low.
Uh-huh. Okay. I'm audible now?
Yes, sir. You're audible.
Okay. Yeah, Varsha. Yeah, can you please briefly introduce about your recent project and what is your contribution?
System tracking resources and about my roles and responsibilities. So I have developed several API in this project, and I have written unit test cases as well. That is all about me. Thank you.
No, mainly talk about your project, like which project you worked and what is the project, what is your project and which module you worked.
Mhm. Okay, so in our organization, I have worked the objectivity framework. So we can say like it is a internal project in our organization. When we deploy our application on production, so that time we are not able to see logs on production. So that's why this deploy microservice came in roles with the help of we can see log after deployment or production deployment also. So they are suppose we create one application, user application. So there when we build this application, so we write this logs in a particular one file, and after that we can say we have to configure some key value pairs inside the application.property file, like our service status, service name, service port name, like that. These details we have to configure inside the application.property file, and after that we read that one log file with the help of filebeat, and after that we store that one files as an index format inside the Elasticsearch, and with the help of Kibana we can read that one logs. So it is a project flow, and I have developed several API in this project. Suppose like I write one API for this, like state for checking status. So they are like we create one API. So with the help of like we check status, mm, like up or down. So we can find with the help of get mapping. We can do it.
Okay. Can you please share your screen and open notepad?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
write a API endpoint URL, which one you implemented in your recent project.
Okay. So like I used get mapping here. So like that. Like user service and status. We can say status. So with the help of like a status we are getting from the query param, we are getting this thing. So URL we can say like that, uh, like user service, and like state question after question mark status, like that, up or like that.
Is it a get
No, no,
mapping?
no, 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 not like that. Get why status we are finding this.
Still, I'm not understanding.
Because with the help of, suppose we are
To get
in my
mapping.
microservice, like we want to check status. of other microservices. So with the help of, suppose we use their get mapping annotation, and we write one inside the JPA repository, we are like find by status. With the help of, we are getting the status of my other microservices, it is up or down.
Okay. Then what are the validations that you apply here?
So valid in my microservices, I have used many validation. Like we use one dependency for this starter validation, and we have to use at the rate valid annotation. Which one API we are using, and inside the entity class we can use at the rate not null, at the rate not empty, like that uh, uh, annotation we can use for validation.
Okay. Can you please write a REST controller for this?
Yes, I can write. Yeah, like that we can write. Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Yes, like that we can write.
Okay. Here, does get mapping have a request body?
Get mapping.
Does get mapping have a request body?
Request body we can't, because we are request mapping we use for like when we want to save anything inside the database. So
Mhm.
that time we use request body.
Okay. Uh, okay. Here, what are the validations did you apply?
So here, like uh, id should not null, status
Mm-hmm.
also should not null, like that we applied inside the entity class.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Then
And there
what is
also
the
we can
status?
use at the rate valid annotation we can use.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Okay. Then what is the status code DRP return if it is success?
So return, if successfully written, it means it will 200.
Mm-hmm. If there is a bad request, then what is the status code DRP return?
Bad request 400, 400.
Okay.
Fo-
When will you return
no,
the
for bad
404
request of
status?
mm, if sorry, for bad request we can say 40, 1, I think. For
Mm-hmm.
bad request I forgot.
Okay. When will you return the 404 status code?
Not found.
Okay. If there is something happen, then how can you handle it and what is the status code DRP return?
Like if any data successfully save inside the database, so that time we return a 200 status. And like delete, for delete 204, successfully delete.
Okay.
Hmm.
Next, can you please open an online Java compiler and write one program?
Okay. Yes.
Now, take a list of the strings with the different sizes and find out the longest string using Java strings.
Find longest string. Substring or
Oh, take a list of the strings with the different sizes.
okay.
Find out the longest string using Java strings.
Okay. Hmm. Import. Yes, it is working fine. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is working
Yeah. Can
fine.
you please explain the code?
Yeah, so they are like we are taking one list, string of list we are taking here. So after that, like we are applying a stream API here, and there is one function, max function. So inside it, we are using comparator. Comparator is mainly used for comparing. So like comparing int it we are taking because we are comparing the length of a string. So like it is a short form written like a string, it has one method, length method, so we are calling that one. So with the help of we are comparing, so max length is coming largest for Savani.
Okay. How comfortable are you in writing JUnit test cases?
Yes, we can write Jane. Yeah, I can.
Okay. Yeah. Already you write one some APIs, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What are the test scenarios you do cover for that? Means what are the how you are going to what are the JUnit test cases you do cover for that?
For this
Can
method.
you please yeah just open a notepad. You write some API, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. In that okay, how you are going to write the JUnit test cases? Means what are the methods you are going to use?
REST controller we are using Bab. I forgot, but at the rate Bab. Web we use Web Mockito we use, yeah, for this, for controller class.
Okay, fine.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, tell me if you want to check whether the result is equal to an expected value, which JUnit method do you use?
So like equal asset equal we use for equal, and expected like we use asset expected we use for this.
Mhm, mhm.
Like
How do you
it
test
is
that
taking
method through?
two parameter like actual and expected. So it is both
Mhm,
are should be same. It means they will given true, otherwise it will given false like that.
mhm. Okay, how do you test that a method throws an exception?
So assert through is there, with the help of we can do it.
Okay, suppose if I ask you to implement a logger service in your project,
Hmm.
how would you create a object? How okay? Uh, okay, would you be able to create a multiple objects of the logger or single object?
I didn't get your question.
Suppose if I asked you to implement a logger service in your project, okay, would you be able to create a multiple object of the loggers or single
No, only
one?
we create only single logger, because single object, because same object we use in whole the application. There we use AOP concept here,
Why?
because same object we need in all the classes, so that's why we create a AOP for this aspect class create, and inside this class like we create like methods. There we use join point and at the rate point cut. These things we need to, and aspects also we use. So with the help of we can do it.
Okay, there are multiple threads are there. You need to handle them efficiently instead of creating a new one each time. Okay, what do you use in this case?
Sorry.
Okay, there are multiple threads are there. You need to handle them efficiently instead of creating a new one each time. What do you use in this case?
Mm, so like multiple threads are there, so synchronized we can use for this.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah, mostly I covered all the concepts, Varsha. Do you have any questions for me?
Yeah, so can you please tell me like in which part I need to work more? Can you suggest me?
Yeah. Um, yeah, you did good. Okay, my team will reach out to you. Okay, if you have
Okay,
any questions.
sure. Okay, sure. Okay, thank you.